The New Monaco project is very unique in the sense that we're creating something from the very beginning.
The New Monaco neighborhood project here is essentially to create what we believe the Okanagan can be as a place to live. We've given ourselves the mission to be the healthiest neighborhood in Canada, and like all great missions, we weren't exactly sure what that means, and so we've now started working with UBC to figure out what that means.
When we think of New Monaco as part of the Okanagan as a living lab, our campus is also part of that living lab. So this all started very organically from the new kinds of collaborations that you can have with a new campus of a global university.
We have done numerous projects with UBC with different professors, different faculties, many students, and working with students even after they've graduated, still working with us out of interest to figure out exactly how we can design sidewalks, streets, parks, homes differently, so that simply by living here, you would be healthier.
We feel very fortunate in Peachland that New Monaco has chosen Peachland to build their new development. When we partner and work with the university, what we're also seeing then, of course, is the opportunity to do things right the first time. Look for ways that not only we can learn and our own developers can learn, but also other developers in the future.
Part of what's really special about this project is certainly the people in Peachland who are so engaged in how their community is going to grow, and then the diversity of people and interest in Peachland and the way that interacts with the university and our diverse people is the next dimension that makes this really special.
It's really important to Peachland's future economy because as a community we have to grow, and one of the things that makes this different from most other developments is the collaborative basis on which the project is proceeding.
Personally, as an engineer who worked in the industry and moved back to academia, I want all my students to have industrial experience. So this is an excellent opportunity for us to have such a demonstration and such a project.
Just very grateful that UBC is partnering with New Monaco and Peachland and a number of other partners on this. I think it's a very exciting project and we look forward to the results.
I think the role of UBC in the Valley, it is enormous. It is profound, the importance of UBC in the Valley, and we're only just beginning to see that. One of the privileges we have had, because the project is so diverse, is to be able to offer many ways for UBC to get off the campus. I think the institute structure, the Okanagan Sustainability Institute, is a fantastic bridge between what is a core academic institution and those of us who are in industry, because its job is to bridge that. And without that, it can be a lot harder to make the connections. And so a lot of praise goes to UBC for having set up its institutes and the leadership they've shown in reaching out. Now, when UBC talks about the Valley, there are real projects all up and down the Valley that people engage, people on first name basis, pieces of land, real projects that are drawing students and professors and research money into the Valley. And that begins to tie the whole Valley together to UBC as a campus, and everybody's life is that much richer. It's a lot better for the economy, and it's a lot better for the overall culture of the Valley.
You can think about this as a beacon project or a lighthouse project. And if you think about the Okanagan as a beautiful network of towns and cities of various sizes separated by the length of the lake, you've got a network of opportunities, a network of places which can be learning lessons from Peachland. And of course, we'd love to transfer these lessons as a global university to cities around the world, in Canada and certainly far beyond.